What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how this one-page website makes me $800 per month in passive income. It's a very simple website. It's really just one page. This page makes me over $800 a month, and it's really simple to do. Okay, it's very effective. It converts like crazy, and it's been making me money for the past year and a half, 2 years plus. Okay, so just understand, this is something that I've been tweaking here and there, been making some changes to, but the whole time it's been making me money. Let me show you what it is. So here is the website. The reason why I want to show you this website is because it's very effective. It's only one page, okay? Now there is another page on it technically, but that's not really something you will ever see here unless you put in your name, email address, and click on Get Diaper Ratings Guide. Now, let me show you something. If somebody were to click on this link right here, it says get free sample diapers here. What happens is they land on this page. Okay, it's a website, getsamplesonlinenow.com. This right here, this link plus this link down here, they all go to the same page. Once somebody puts in their email address and clicks on choose samples, I end up making $1.60 for one email. Okay, so somebody clicks on that link or this one, lands on this page, puts in their email address, clicks choose samples, I make $1.60. Why is that important? The reason why that is important is because all they have to do is called cost per action, CPA marketing. Okay, and I do this. It's through I don't remember the company it's through, but what I do is essentially I just send them leads or send them people, and once it becomes a lead, I get paid a commission. I get paid $1.60 on every single one of the people that actually put in their email address and then go and choose their samples. Okay, it's $1.60 for every single person that does this. That doesn't include the free guide here. That doesn't include any of these links right here, which all go to Amazon. Every single one of these and every single picture goes to Amazon. All these go to the book on Amazon, and all these pictures go to the actual page on Amazon as well. Okay, I am promoting, how to save money on diapers. That's pretty much the main thing I'm doing. How to choose the best diapers, which also leads to the free guide, Best Diapers of 2009 with full ratings guide. If they put their name, email address, and click on Get Diaper Ratings Guide, what happens is they land on a page something like this. Now, I end up getting rid of the guide here because I actually send them an email to actually get the guide downloaded there. The reason why I made this change for this video particularly is because so many people don't really use email marketing effectively. And so because of that, just put right here, once you get their email address, okay, once you get it and you have it, great. You can send them an email later. But the first thing you want to do is you want to hit them with some type of offer. Now, being that I know some people probably will go and get this exact same page, I went out and I found a product that you can sell very easily and that you can add right to this page. Now, here's the product. It's over on ClickBank. So you can go to clickbank.com. You can see it right there, clickbank.com. You can sign up for an account. And if you go, it's called babysleepmiracle.com. If you go to that one thing, you can promote this product and you'll make $21.75 per sale. Okay, so all you got to do is put a little thing down here talking about a few of your diapers. Okay, and then on top of that, you can also mention, if your baby is not sleeping through the night or you're having trouble getting them to fall asleep, I highly recommend you check out this simple product, this guide, this course, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it's called Baby Sleep Miracle. And send them a link to this exact page and you'll start making some money. But it all stems off this one page right here. This page, not including anything here, not including sending emails or them landing on the actual guide, okay? This page makes me over $800 every single month, and it has probably for the past 12 months, I'd say about 12, 13, 14 months, somewhere right around there. Okay, so it's made me over $800 for at least the past year. The best part about this is I do not run traffic to this. Okay, and just stick with me for a second. I'm going to show you how to get this exact same page right here. I'm making it right through ClickFunnels. You can see it right up here. But I'm going to show you how to get this for only $19 a month. So you don't have to pay the $100 a month that ClickFunnels normally costs. I'm going to share this with you. Okay, share this funnel with you for only $19. And you stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it. Now, the reason why I do not run traffic to this page, number one, because I don't really have to. There's no paid traffic I need to run. Now, one of the things you're going to see down in the description box, it'll be like the second or third link. It will be to a course. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube. That course is pretty much exactly what I've been doing with this page, with this diapers reviewed page. I create some simple videos, throw them on YouTube on diapers, on babies, on parenting, stuff like that. I throw them on YouTube and I provide a link to this exact same page. A lot of people come from YouTube, okay, because that's really the only place that people are seeing it. They come from YouTube, land on this page, and I'm making money from people either putting in their email address and getting the free samples, or I make money from people buying stuff on Amazon. It's not even included in the $800 is if I'm making any sales from the courses that I'm promoting, which I am. However, that's something that's a little more advanced, so I'm not going to include that money into this. But just understand, it all comes from this one simple page. Okay, now I'm going to come back to this in a second, but let me show you, okay, how you can get this. So I'll put a link, like I said, I'll put a link to this exact same page down in the description box below. Will be the first link. What I need you to do is click on it. You'll come over here, you'll land on a page like this. Okay, get your free 14-day trial. You'll see the opt-in right there. You'll see the diaper review. You can kind of, see them in a little bit bigger. Then you're going to put in your name and email address right here. So once you put your name and email address and then you pick a password, you're going to click Start Your Free 14-Day Trial. You're going to click on that. It's going to now bring you to a page that looks like this. Okay, here's what you got to understand. It's going to put you into the Edison suite, which is $297 a month. If you want that, it's a great suite, great package. I recommend it. But if you don't want to pay $300 a month just yet, don't worry about it. You don't need to. You can either go to the ClickFunnels, just the basic package, which is 14-day free trial, and then $97 a month. I do highly recommend this one if you plan on building more funnels and more pages just like the one I showed you. Or there's something called a limited shared funnels only plan. It's $19 a month. It's 14 days free and then $19 a month. But you're limited to only 3 funnels. Okay, so this is a great place to start. Click on the limited shared funnels. Put in all your information. If you want the secret funnels training, which I recommend if you plan on building more funnels, which again I recommend if you plan on making more money, I'd recommend getting that now before the price does go up, and then activate my account. What I've noticed with a lot of people lately is that so many people are looking at a website, one of the classic websites where you upload content every single day and you try to run traffic to it from Google and from Yahoo and Bing. And that's a great strategy. However, this is 2019. Most people that are running a website, they're doing paid ads. They're running traffic from Facebook and different social media sites. They're doing video ads, okay? They're finding ways to run traffic to that new site without having to wait months and months trying to get free traffic. Now, if you want free traffic, the best place to get it is YouTube. That's one of the reasons why I put the link in the description box below for my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. Is you do the exact same stuff I talk about inside the course. However, when I talk about where you put your affiliate link inside the description, no, you don't do that here. You put the link to your website in the description. People will go from your video to that link, click on it, see your website, and then hopefully they're going to go and click on that link, buy or put in their information. You'll get paid. Maybe they'll put in their information here where you'll now get their information, but you'll send them to your free guide, which is going to be full of affiliate links and different product recommendations, which is going to help you make money. Or they're going to go straight to these different products they're going to see over on Amazon, which everybody loves Amazon, everybody buys from Amazon. So what happens? You make money. So the whole thing, you wrap it all up. The goal is you're going to make some money. So that's what I wanted to show you. This simple website, which I've shown this website here on my Homemade Entrepreneur YouTube channel before, and people love it. The reason why they love it is because it converts. It works. It's very easy, very effective. And the best part is, when you use this as a shared funnel, you only have to pay $19 a month. Okay, $19 a month. Most people spend more than that on one dinner. Okay, on a week's worth of coffee, eating out for lunch for a few days. Okay, it's $19 a month. If you can't invest $19 a month to potentially make $100, $200, $1,000 plus every single month, you're probably in the wrong business. So the last thing I just want to say is that affiliate marketing is an easy business to get into. There's pretty much zero cost of entry, but where most people struggle is how you actually put the whole plan, put the process into motion. What are the steps you take? And that's one of the reasons why I created my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. Go check it out. Currently, the price is $33. In the next few days, I am going to be increasing the price to $67, so make sure you get it while the price is still low. But if you have any questions, make sure you ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.